In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize FigJam. If you've ever opened a whiteboard and felt it grow messy as ideas multiply, this walkthrough will show you how to bring clear structure using sections and ready-made templates. First, head over to figma.com and log into your account. Once you're in, look for FigJam. You can open FigJam directly or choose one of your recent boards if you're continuing existing work. Either option gets you into a canvas where we'll tidy things up. On the canvas, we'll start by adding a section. At the bottom of the FigJam interface, you'll see the Tools bar. Find the Section tool there, then click and drag on the canvas to draw a container. This section acts like a smart frame. It gathers related content so it's easy to navigate and move as a group. Now drag any objects you want into it: sticky notes, shapes, text boxes, connectors, or images already on the board. As you drop items inside the boundary, they're visually grouped. You can resize the section by pulling its edges to fit your content. If you want even more clarity, place related items in their own sections so each topic, meeting segment, or workflow has a dedicated area. You can also speed things up with templates right from a section. Right-click on the section background to open the context menu, then choose the Templates option. A list will appear with layouts designed for common tasks like brainstorming, retrospectives, roadmaps, and more. Select a template from the list to insert it into the section you've chosen. This keeps everything neatly contained and avoids scattering new elements across your canvas. Once the template is in place, edit it to match your goals. Replace placeholder text with your own notes, adjust colors for emphasis, and remove any parts you don't need. You can duplicate sticky notes for extra space or rearrange groups to reflect your process. Drag any existing objects from your board into the templated section so all related content stays together. As you refine, keep the overall flow consistent. Titles at the top, supporting details beneath, and arrows or connectors showing relationships. That's all there is to it. Log in, open a FigJam board, add a section, use templates by right-clicking that section, select one from the list, and edit it so it works for you. With these simple moves, your FigJam boards stay organized, readable, and ready for collaboration.